Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Dell XPS 8960 desktop, and I have to say, if you're looking for a clean, powerful, and future-ready machine for work, creativity, or just fast everyday computing, this one's definitely worth your attention. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. So let's talk about what this machine is packing under the hood. The model I have here is running the 14th General Intel Core i7-14700 processor, which is part of Intel's Raptor Lake refresh line. This chip comes with 20 cores, that's 8 performance cores and 12 efficient cores, and supports up to 28 threads. Translation? It's incredibly fast for multitasking, creative workloads, and CPU-heavy tasks. Whether you're rendering video, compiling code, working in Photoshop, or managing multiple virtual machines, this processor doesn't flinch. It's one of the best all-around CPUs for people who need real-world performance without going all the way to an i9. Paired with that, you've got a whopping 32GB of DDR5 RAM. DDR5 is much faster than DDR4 and gives you a huge performance bump when it comes to memory-intensive tasks. Switching between apps is seamless, loading times are snappy, and you can keep dozens of tabs and programs open without any slowdown. For most users, even power users, 32GB is more than enough. And of course, it's upgradable if you ever want to go even higher. In terms of storage, it's got a 1TB NVMe SSD, and this thing is fast. Boot times are basically instant, apps launch in seconds, and you've got plenty of room for your files, projects, games, and media. I'd argue that 1TB is the sweet spot right now, big enough to not worry about space, but still lightning fast. Now, let's talk about graphics. This particular model is running Intel UHD 770 integrated graphics, which is built into the CPU. For general productivity, media consumption, and even some light creative work, it's totally fine. You can edit photos, do basic video editing, and stream 4K content without any issues. But just a heads up, this isn't a gaming rig. You're not going to be running AAA titles at high settings. That said, the chassis and motherboard do support adding a discrete GPU down the line, so if you want to upgrade with something like an NVIDIA RTX card later, you totally can. It runs on Windows 11 Home, which feels modern and clean. I actually like Windows 11 more than I expected. It's snappy, and the new taskbar and window snapping features make multitasking a lot smoother. Dell also includes on-site support and migration services, which is a huge bonus if you're coming from an older system. They'll actually help you move your data and get set up, which makes the transition super easy, especially if you're not the most tech-savvy. Now let's talk design and build quality. The XPS 8960 follows Dell's premium design language: minimalist, sleek, and super clean. It's got a professional look that fits well in an office or studio environment. The build is solid, with good airflow and plenty of ports on both the front and back. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious and accessible, which makes upgrading components in the future much easier than most pre-built desktops. In terms of thermals and noise, this machine runs impressively quiet. Even under load, fan noise is minimal, and it stays cool thanks to Dell's airflow-focused chassis. That's something I definitely appreciate, especially if you're using it in a quiet workspace or during long editing sessions. So, who is the Dell XPS 8960 really for? This is an ideal machine for content creators, software developers, engineers, students, and professionals who need a desktop that can keep up with demanding workflows but don't necessarily need a gaming GPU out of the box. If you're someone who wants speed, stability, and the ability to upgrade later, the XPS 8960 is a fantastic choice. It also makes a great family desktop or productivity hub for a home office. To wrap things up, Dell did a great job with this desktop. It's fast, modern, quiet, and designed with the future in mind. If you're looking for a powerful pre-built system that doesn't cut corners, the XPS 8960 is a solid investment. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments, and if you have any questions or want me to test specific workloads on it, I've got you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.